Hi guys, it's Dahlia. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I decided to film what's in my bag for this fall of 2020. What's in my bag and show you the things that I carry. And I don't know, it's just fun watching this video, especially like showing their purses, what they got them. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Dahlia and welcome to my channel. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and a notification bell so you won't miss any videos. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you and your family are doing well and healthy. So let's just get started with the video. So the bag that I've been carrying around with me is this one right here. I really love this bag. It's so cute. It's not too small or it's not too huge. It's like a perfect size. I really like this because it kind of floats with the fall colors, the vibe, how it looks. Leather from the side, so it's leather white, and it has like a little brown tone leather, and the handle as well. And then they have this little crossbody straps to put it. So I really like these type of purses because not only when you're shopping, but like if your hands are occupied, you can actually do this as a crossbody. You can do it like put it on your shoulder instead of doing this. It's Nine West. It's not like a huge brand which is like Coach, Louis Vuitton and all that, so I'm sorry guys, but it is Nine West, which is a brand, and it's just like a little magnetic which is really connects. But yeah, so it's so cute. I love it. It's really small, but it's perfect for like every day to carry stuff inside your purse. This at Kohl's and it was on sale for $14, so I was like, I'll take that bag. It may look small, but it carries good amount of stuff that I will definitely need along the way. In this pocket, I have this little card to get in the facility, so I always scan this to get in the building, just for work in the mornings. It's not really necessary for me to remove this because it will still scan the door and I will go in the building. So yeah, first thing that I carry in my purse is this little ultra soft Kleenex tissues. So this one is from Target brand. You always need tissues because you never know when you need to blow your nose or just anything general. These is Up, which is Target brand. Carry is my instant hand sanitizer spray. I always carry this all the time with me. Sometimes what you're touching has germs. The next thing is lotion. I'm almost out of this lotion, but I have a very like dry hands, so it's important to me to carry lotion. So this is one that I really like. Virgin's Ultra Healing, which is repair and heals extra dry skin. This one is vitamin C, E, and B5, like extremely dry, so I always like to carry a lotion in my purse, and I'm almost out, so I always use the same brand because it really helps my hands. But yeah, so next thing that I carry in my purse, this is like very like something different to carry in your purse because you never expect to carry this along with you. You just like, I don't know, it's just now it's a thing, you have to carry it in your purse. But I carry a mask because we have to wear a mask everywhere we go. So if you're going to the store, you're going to appointments, wherever, it's required to wear a mask. So I always carry one in my car and then in my purse just in case I forget. The thing is, I really have a small little head, so I always have to adjust it because a little head, I struggle. So it's like, yeah, so I have this little mask. I carry like a granola bar. Sometimes I switch it up, just like a little sweet treat or something, but this time I always carry at least one or two of these De La Rosas. These are Mazapan original. These are so bomb, really good candy, Mexican candy. These are so good. You can actually get this like at the Mexican grocery stores, or I think you could get it at Walmart, but they're so freaking good. My mom actually made a recipe on agua fresca de mazapan, so if you guys want to check out her recipe, I'll link it down below. But it is so good. It tastes like mazapan and horchata, mix of both, and it's so good. So I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. But these I usually carry, so one of these treats. In my purse is my AirPods. These I carry with me all the time because lunch or doing something, I always like to carry my iPods because when I'm eating I like to not hold my phone all the time, so I like to carry this because they're super handy. Got this case at Amazon, just to let you know. The next thing that I carry in my purse is an Ultra Beauty lipstick. So right now I'm kind of switching up my lipsticks, but I mainly go with matte lipsticks because they stay on longer than the lip gloss or sheer lip gloss or lipsticks. So I try to go with more matte because they don't really rub off mask. It is Sweet Caramel, which is wearing right now, but I did apply a little bit lip gloss because why not? And I do carry another lipstick because it is fall, so I like to be a little brown tones or a light tones or stuff. So this one is, it's almost like a nude, but this one is the 224. So there's no name, but it's the lighter one. I like these type of lipsticks, so it's a little light brown tone. So I'm almost out actually. So, and then this one is more like a caramel tone. So I love these colors, especially for fall. So I like to carry two because I like to change it up a little bit. Carry is my charger. I think it is so important to carry a charger with you because sometimes your phone dies and you need to call someone, or I don't know, you just gotta check your emails or text message. So I always carry a charger with me. Your phone can die, or sometimes you forget to charge your phone last night. That I carry in my purse is my wallet. It is super important to carry your wallet, guys. So I went with this type of style because I feel like it does match. A white from the back, and then the front has little flowers. I think it goes with it. And then from the inside's cream. So it's at Kohl's, I think it was like $12 or $11. But I carry a wallet, my debit card, my driver license, everything that I definitely need is in this wallet. I don't really carry cash, and I try not to carry cash because I just hate touching cash, coins. Little compact storage right here. So I'm gonna open this up. Carry is gum. I think it's so important to carry gum because depending what you're eating, but sometimes when I bring lunch or when I'm eating anything garlic, onions, very strong, so I always carry a gum with me. These are the Trident Perfect Peppermints. I try to go with more minty. Carry is my mirror. I always carry a mirror because you never know, you need to check your face, you have something. I always like to carry them. This one is the 2 mirror side. We got this at Ulta, I believe. This one is Burt's Bees Strawberry Moisturizing Lip Balm. I always carry a chapstick with me because, like I said, sometimes I don't really wear lipsticks, especially for work because I'm wearing a mask. I always wear chapstick almost every day now just to keep them healthy and nice. Is a pill because sometimes I go through the worst headache ever, or sometimes cramps, just depending. So I always carry a pill. I carry is a perfume. So perfumes, I've been buying a lot of these lately because I don't like to carry the whole bottle with me or the body spray. I like to keep it very travel size just for my purse to throw it in, but I do just switch it up a little bit. This one is from Tarte, which is Sweet Tart. It's a fragrance, which is a 0.152 fluid ounce, so it is a small, but I think it's perfect for travel, to take it along with you, just to put it on your neck a little bit. It for this department. So there is another little compartment here, which is a zipper. Cards, appointment cards and all that, but I just use my phone to set up appointments now and days. But I do carry papers just to write important notes or whatever. So passwords, I need it for work. It's tons of passwords to remember. Notes, sticky notes. And I have a pen because it's important to carry your own pen. Write my notes, or when I'm signing a receipt or something returns. So I always carry my pen just in case. So pretty much what I carry in my purse. That's a good amount of stuff that I need for every day. It's not a lot, but it's something that I take along with me when I'm going to work or running errands, everyday purse basically. Pretty much what I carry in my purse. It's so cute, perfect size for everyday use. I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give it a huge big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.